I hope you have understood how we have made the circuit so far. So now we want to vary the capacitors that we have for us to see how we can vary the speed of the frequency using the capacitors. Okay, you can also use these two resistors right here to vary the speed of the frequency and the time period and the duty cycle. But more efficiently, you can just use a capacitor. I find it more fun to use than the resistors. So we'll start with this little guy here. So these are 22 microfarad capacitor. So this is a small capacitor. So once I put them, it will be charging and discharging quickly, meaning that the frequency will be turning on and off more faster. So let's see about that. Let's check and see if that's what happens. You can see it's blinking faster compared to, okay, we have not yet done the other one, so you're going to compare yourself and see which one is faster. So these are 22 microfarad capacitor, and the formula for calculating the frequency or just the time period at which the LED tag goes on and off is given by 0.693 times R1 plus 2R2 then times the capacitance that you're using in farads. So you have to change the SI units into farads for you to get the proper calculations. So yes, so this is the 22 microfarad. You can go further with 100 microfarad capacitor. Just put it there. You can see the 100 microfarad just like that. You can see the 100 microfarad capacitor goes on and off quite slowly as compared to the 22 microfarad capacitor, and you can go on until you reach my biggest capacitor right here. So this actually will stay on for a long period of time because this is actually 15,000 microfarad. So this one will stay on, will be charged and will stay on for a very long period of time. Yes, we can go up to, let's say, let's choose this one. These are 1000 microfarad. Yes, so these are 1000. I remember doing a project using a 1000 microfarad on a monostable mode, and calculating the time at which the LED stayed on in monostable mode gave me some about 11 seconds. The LED stays on and then goes off. So I don't know about the Astable, but for the monostable, the LED stayed on for 11 seconds. Yes, so that's a very easy circuit. I hope you've understood how to make it, and next time we're going to start learning the fun things that you can make using an Astable multivibrator using NE555, because there's a lot you can make using this oscillation configuration. So yeah, so you can just make this at home, have fun with it, and hope to see you next time when we come and start thinking outside the box in how you can improve this circuit. Yes, so thank you very much guys for watching. Please subscribe to Tronics Energy, and I hope to see you next time. Goodbye.